Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need host or co-host rights and drive space. Start immediately by enabling live captions in Meet. Once captions are on, begin recording the meeting so Google saves audio and caption data. Make sure your microphone and system audio are unmuted, and notify participants you are recording. This step captures the content Google uses to produce a transcript file. If you cannot record, ask the host to grant permission or to record for you. Then proceed to the next step. Once the meeting ends, Google processes the recording and stores it in Drive under Meet Recordings. You should see both the video file and an automatic captions file if available. Open the video and check the captions track. Export audio as MP4 or WAV for best accuracy. Then, create a new Google Doc, use Tools voice typing while playing the audio, or upload the audio to a trusted speech-to-text service for higher fidelity. Make sure the audio is clear. Background noise reduces accuracy. You now refine the raw transcript. Correct jargon, add speaker labels, and insert timestamps for clarity. Once edited, export the file as docx or txt and store a backup in Drive. If captions or the transcript never appeared, make sure live captions were enabled, the meeting was recorded by a host with recording rights, and the chosen language matched speech. If problems persist, reprocess the exported audio with a third-party speech-to-text tool. This often recovers missing lines and improves accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.